to honor the people and businesses of Kingsbridge Road, the Kingsbridge Road Merchants Association, Moss Productions, Councilman Fernando Cabrera, and Moshulu Preservation Corporation held the 5th Annual Unity in the Community Festival.
We have entertainment, we have the dance, we have special music, singing, DJ, and then we have a lot of booths where people could bring their children. We have a message. It's a message of unity. It's a message of peace in light of the things that are happening in other districts.
The message of love and unity comes following tragic events like the murder of 15-year-old Lesandro Jr. Guzman Feliz. Host Rina Valentin echoed the theme of the 5th Annual Festival, Youth in the Community, by honoring the NYPD Explorers, which Jr. was a part of, as exemplary youth.
One of the things I've always admired the most has been the NYPD Explorers. These are young individuals who have chosen to take the responsibility of being in charge of everyone's safety. And it really saddens me that we lost one of them.
This is the best program. I've seen these kids grow. They've become officers, they become teachers, they got into the military. I have some kids that were my explorers when I first started. Their kids are graduating from high school, so they've done a lot.
We've been dealing with a lot of tragedy in the news, and so it's really nice to just have everybody come together and celebrate each other and finding similarities in our differences.
To keep up the theme of supporting the youth and in an effort to uplift spirits, local musicians and talent were showcased. A variety of local merchants set up shop alongside healthcare providers, local organizations, and youth programs for this year's annual Unity in the Community Festival. Reporting for Bronxnet, Sanji Lopez.